Good morning, my dear students. This is your GK period. Hope that you all are ready. So let's begin now. Children, are you all ready with your GK book? So if yes, then please open the book and with your pencil, eraser, let's start doing the exercise. But before that, I have instructed you to learn the book exercises that we have done in our previous class. So have all of you have learned all those exercises? I am sure that you have learned the exercise. In the next week, we are going to take the GK class through the Zoom app. So then in the next class, I'll be taking a test, right? So please learn the book exercises so that you are ready for the test. If I ask questions, you have the correct answer with you, right? So children, now can you tell me who is the Prime Minister of India? From previous 2 days, from previous two classes, I'm repeating this. Hope that you have learned it. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Honorable Mr. Narendra Modi. And who is the President of India? Honorable Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Yes, Mr. Ram Nath Kovind is the President of India. Have you learned the phone numbers of your house, of your mom and dad, and the address of your house? Yes, I am sure that the answer from you is yes. So now next time I'm going to ask you all, okay? So just be careful, okay? So children, now as you know, as you are already ready with your books, so why to waste time? So let's start the book exercise now. So today children, in our book we have already done the book exercises till page number 19. If you can remember, till page number 19 we have done it. In the previous class we have learned about the different animals. We have learned about different gadgets, electronic gadgets like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, microwave oven, right? We also learned about some wild species animal where we got to see the special qualities that they have in them, right? So can you tell me an animal which looks like a horse, who it is, but is not a horse? It's a zebra with a black and white stripe, right? So in this way, I'm going to ask question next time in the Zoom app class of GK. So just be careful. So let's now start doing page number 20 first. So this is page number 20, children, of your book. Please open the book. So what is the heading in this particular exercise? Can you tell me? The exercise says, where do I live? Yes, where do I live? So they are not asking about you. I asked you about your address. Yes, I will ask you next time about your address. But here you have to tell right now about the address of these animals. Yes. So where they live, now we are going to discuss about that, right? So before we start doing the exercise, let's first know that where these animals live. You can see here there's a horse, there's a lion, there's a hen, there's a sheep, there's a honeybee, and there's a bird. So where these animals live, let's first see that. So let's just look at number one. Can you see number one who it is, which animal it is? It's a horse. So where does the horse live? Can you see this picture? The horse lives in the stable. Yes, the home of the horse is called as stable, right? Now look at the second picture. So can you see the second picture? This is a bird with its baby, and the bird makes his house where? In the tree, and it is called as nest, right? So the bird has a house which is called as nest, and that is made in the tree, right? Now let's see the third picture. The third picture is of, oh, it's little creepy picture. We feel very creepy when we see such picture, but these are so many thousands and lakhs of honeybees. Can you see? the honeybee's house is called as beehive. They are called as beehive. They make a house on the tree top or at the roof or shade of something, and they make a hive like this. They all sit together in that beehive. Now let's look at some few more pictures. Oh my God, just look at number 4. Who it is? The king of the jungle. This is lion. So can you just tell me, where does the lion lives? Where is the house of lion? The house of lion is in the den, where there are mountains and inside there is a cave. This is called as den. The lions live there. Now just look at the picture number 5. Can you see the hens? The hen's house is called as coop. The hen's house is called as coop. Yes, this is a coop. Yes. Now let's see the picture number 6. You can see so many sheep. Yes. So do you know where do they live? What is the house of sheep called? It is called as pen. What it is called as? It is called as pen, not a writing pen, but a pen where they live, right? So now I'm sure that you will be able to do the book exercise. So let's just quickly do it, okay? So number 1, the house of a horse is called as, the home of a horse is called as stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Yes, so write it down. Stable. The home of horse is called as stable. Number 2, where does the bird live? Nest. It makes a home in the treetop, and it is called as nest. N-E-S-T, nest. They bring twigs and they build their own house, which is called as nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Now number 3, this are honeybees. So the house of honeybee is called as beehive. The house of honeybee is called as beehive. B-E-E-B-H-I-V-E, hive, beehive. Number 4, lion. Where does the lion live? Lion lives in the den. D-E-N, den. Yes, lion lives in the den. Number 5, where does the sheep lives? Sheep lives in the pen. Yes, the house of sheep is called as P-E-N, pen. Now let's see number 6. Where does the hen live? The house of hen is called as coop. C-O-O-P, coop. Yes. So hope that you have completed the work. Let's now read this out. Do you know the marine iguana is the only lizard in the world which can live in the ocean? Yes, it's a lizard. Lizard, you have seen that they crawl on the walls. But this particular lizard, whose name is iguana, they live in the ocean, and they are the only marine lizards who can live in the ocean, right? So now let's apply. Collect information about homes of at least 5 more animals, okay? So in your drawing notebook, you can collect the pictures of some more animals, and you can just write the names of the houses where they live, right? So this is your homework, okay? Now let's do page number 21. So before we start doing page number 21, we need to know few information about it. What is this page is all about? Young ones of animals. Young ones of animals. So we are going to know about some animals and their babies. So their babies are called by some names, right? Their babies are called by some names, and we are going to know what they are called as, right? So here you can see the pictures. You can see number 1, it's a bird, and the baby of bird is called as chick. Number 2 is the picture of a monkey. So you can see monkey's baby. It's called as infant. Number 3, the horse, and the baby of horse is called as the baby of horse is called as foal, right? Just a sec. It's sorry, it's not fold, it's cold. It's cold. Number 4, this is the baby of giraffe, and it is called as Joey, right? Now this you can see the baby of the baby of I'm sorry, this baby is called as, this is the deer, and its baby is called as fawn. The deer's baby is called as fawn. This is the bear, grizzly bear, and the bear's baby is called as cub. And can you see this one, the little one? Can you tell me who the little one is? It's the kangaroo and its baby. So can you see all these pictures? Bird and its baby, monkey's baby, horse baby, giraffe's baby, and this is deer's baby. This is bear's baby, and this is kangaroo's baby. Kangaroo has a special pouch inside his body, and where the baby can sit inside that pouch, right? So now let's do the book exercise. So let's do, the baby of bird is called as C-H-I-C-K, chick. Yes, the baby of bird is called as chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. Number 2, the baby of monkey is called as infant. The baby of monkey is called as infant, I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Number 3, the baby of horse is called as colt, C-O-L-T, colt. Number 4, the baby of the baby of giraffe is called as calf, C-A-L-F, calf. The baby of giraffe is called as calf. Next one, number 5. The baby of kangaroo is called as Joey. The baby of kangaroo is called as J-O-E-Y, Joey. Number 6. The baby of the bear is called as C-U-B, cub. The baby of bear is called as cub. And number 7. The baby of deer is called as F-A-W-N, fawn. The baby of deer is called as fawn, F-A-W-N, fawn. Now let's learn some more thing. Do you know a baby koala remains in its mother's pouch for about 6 months after birth? Last time we got to know about this particular animal, koala. Koala is basically found in Australia. We saw that it looks like a bear, very cute, but it is not a bear. And koalas also have a pouch like kangaroo, and their babies they can stay there for 6 months after taking birth, right? Now let's apply it. Make a list of 5 other animals beside those mentioned in this chapter. Find out what their young ones are called, right? So this is your homework, okay? Now next one, let's do the last page, okay? Page number 22 we are going to do the world of plants and animals, wild or domestic. So now I'm reading out something, just listen to it very carefully. Animals like tiger, lion and deer that live in forest are called wild animals, right? Wild animals किसे कहते हैं? जो जंगल में, जो फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं, वो एनिमल्स जो वाइल्ड होते हैं, जो जंगली जिसे हम कहते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एज वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. दे कांट बी केप्ट एज पेट. उन्हें हम पालतू बनाकर घर पर नहीं रख सकते. वो कहाँ आपको देखने को मिलेंगे? वो या आपको जंगल में देख सकते हैं हम, या फिर जू में हम वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को देख सकते हैं. बट वी कैन नॉट कीप देम एज पेट, राइट? बट एनिमल्स लाइक कैट, goat and sheep are not wild. They are kept as pet or to provide food and are called domestic animals. ये इन एनिमल्स जैसे कैट है, डॉग है, शीप है, ये सारे एनिमल्स, इनको हम पेट कर सकते हैं या इन्हें डोमेस्टिकेट भी करते हैं, घर पर रखते हैं. काऊ है, शीप है, हॉर्स है, इन्हें हम पालते हैं अपने कामों के लिए क्योंकि ये दूध देते हैं. हैन एग देती है, मिल्क देती है, काऊ मिल्क देते हैं, राइट. तो ये हम शीप है वो वूल देता है, तो इनको हम डोमेस्टिकेट करते हैं, अपने काम में, फार्म में रखते हैं, राइट. सो मैनी डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स कैन बी केप्ट एट होम while few others are kept in farm. बहुत सारे ऐसे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम घर पे रखते हैं और कुछ को जो बड़े होते हैं उन्हें हम फार्म में रखते हैं, राइट. सो लेट्स नाउ सर्कल द डोमेस्टिक एंड फार्म एनिमल्स इन द गिवन पिक्चर. इस पिक्चर में देखो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स दिए हैं. You have to circle only those pictures which are domestic animals and they can be kept in farms or at home. तो क्या हम जिराफ को रख सकते हैं? दे आर अ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल? नहीं, जिराफ इज अ वाइल्ड एनिमल. जिराफ तो जंगल में मिलता है, राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज राइनोसोरस. राइनो को क्या हम घर पर पाल सकते हैं या फार्म में पाल सकते हैं? नहीं नहीं, ये तो वाइल्ड एनिमल है. Deer, can we rear it at home? No, we can't. It is also a wild animal. Hens, yes, they are a pet animal. It's a domestic animal. So hen, they can be kept in the farm. So please circle this picture. Rabbits can also be kept as pet. So just circle this picture. एंड हॉर्स कैन ऑल्सो बी केप्ट इन द फार्म. हॉर्स को हम फार्म में रखते हैं, हॉर्स रेसिंग में काम में आते हैं. बहुत लोग हॉर्स रेसिंग कराते हैं. हॉर्स पर बहुत सारे काम होते हैं, रेयरिंग किए जाते हैं, देखभाल फार्म की करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, विलेजेस में यूज़ करते हैं, राइट. सो हॉर्स इज ऑल्सो अ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. सो सर्कल दिस पिक्चर ऑफ हॉर्स. Done. Now let's do the next one. Circle the wild animals in the given picture. अब देखो इस पिक्चर में आपको wild animals को उल्टा करना है, ठीक है. क्या cat wild animal है? नहीं, ये तो pet animal है. क्या elephant wild animal है? Yes, it's a wild animal. So circle this picture. Hippopotamus, it's a wild animal. Yes, circle it. Sheep is a wild animal. No, ये तो farm में हम रखते हैं. So this is not a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Yes, it's a wild animal. So circle this. And fox is also a wild animal. So circle this picture also, right? Done. Now let's learn this. Goats do not have front teeth on their upper jaw. आपको पता है उनके upper jaw पे टीथ ही नहीं होती है, वो उनके पास नीचे ही टीथ होती है, उससे ही वो ग्रास को च्यू करते हैं, राइट. नाउ दिस वन. कलेक्ट पिक्चर्स ऑफ एनिमल्स केप्ट ऑन अ फार्म एंड पेस्ट देम इन योर स्क्रैप बुक. सो आपको फार्म में जो एनिमल्स हम पाल सकते हैं, डोमेस्टिकेट कर सकते हैं, उनके पिक्चर्स को कलेक्ट करने हैं एंड आप अपने स्क्रैप बुक है तो स्क्रैप बुक में, नहीं तो ड्राइंग नोटबुक में आप इन्हें पेस्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो यू हैव 3 होमवर्क्स टुडे एंड व्हाट आर दीज 3 होमवर्क्स? आपको आज ऐसे 5 एनिमल्स को बारे में बताना है जो वो अलग, कहाँ वो उनके घर हैं. सेकेंड थिंग, ऐसे 5 एनिमल्स जो उनके बेबीज को क्या कहते हैं. और थर्ड आपको पता करना है कि ऐसे कुछ एनिमल्स जिसे हम फार्म में या घर पर रख सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो that's it for today. We are only going to do these many exercises. You have to learn these exercises. Next time I am going to take a test of GK. So be prepared for it. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye.